Hello, my name is Phoebe Trung, and I am the America's Head of Partner Training at AWS. Welcome to the session on Close the Cloud Skills Gap by Building a Diverse, Vibrant Workforce. I'll be speaking to you about the cloud skills gap and the trends we see, how inclusion, diversity, and equity can help close the gap, then dive into 4 case studies where some of our AWS partners have been successful in their journey to skill existing and new workforce, and provide an overview of the partner training resources so you can learn more. Businesses need to quickly address the change in customer and employee needs due to the fast pace of digital disruption demands. To do this, it involves big capital investment in technology, the staff to maintain the systems, and it could possibly become outdated by the time it's operational. Cloud computing benefits organizations by trading capital for variable expense, so the pay-as-you-go model, benefiting from the massive economy of scale, stop guessing capacity, increase speed and agility, stop spending money to run and maintain data centers, and be able to go global in minutes. This is especially important to small and medium businesses where they can provide job opportunities and serve as an engine for growth and innovation. This is where many of today's multi-billion-dollar companies had their humble beginnings. We know that customers need employees with cloud skills in order to be successful with AWS, and many of our customers and partners are facing the cloud skills gap. 90% of the hiring managers reported that the digital cloud skills gap is somewhat big, quite big, or huge. There are 3 key ways to help close the gap: building and transforming IT skills for cloud, validating skills for cloud transformation, and building the cloud talent pipeline. Looking at the 2019 IT skills and salary report from Global Knowledge, skills gap have more than doubled since 2016. And 68% of IT decision makers noted that they're expecting new ones to form in the next 2 years. They also see that this will cost employers over $22,000 per employee per year. And one of the biggest reasons for skills gap is the difficulty in hiring and maintaining candidates with relevant job expertise. The report also shows that an IT professional who has an AWS certification sees a 21% higher salary than the average, that their expertise is more sought after within their organization, and 43% of them are able to perform their jobs faster. Inclusion, diversity, and equity, also referenced as ID&E, can help address the workforce gap. Inclusion is about belonging, a place where all individuals can be themselves and all identities are valued. Diversity is about representation, such as race, ethnicity, gender identity, sexual orientation, age, social class, physical ability, religion, veteran status, and language. And equity is about fairness. It's about removing barriers to success and interrupting bias. The Harvard Business Review article stated that companies having a 2-dimensional diversity outperform and out-innovate others, being 45% more likely to grow their market share and 70% more likely to capture new markets. This increases the overall ability to innovate, and both in finding and selecting good ideas. This also enables companies to develop a culture where millennials and post-millennial want to work at, because they will make up 75% of the workforce starting in the year 2025, continuing the transformation into the future. Now, hiring managers and recruiters have a bigger pool of candidates to hire from, going beyond the popular networking sites such as LinkedIn, Zing, Meetup, and others. They also don't have to worry about attracting talent due to the extreme competitive compensation, and that they can also nurture existing employees by training them on new skills and updating their knowledge to be able to provide a career growth, therefore keeping talent and preventing regretted attrition. This creates long tenures for employees and also a way for companies to market for others to join. And when employees are happy, they're also more likely to refer others. By developing and delivering training and certification to AWS customers, partners, employees, and next-generation cloud-ready IT professional, we are the key driver in AWS adoption overall. We have programs that span across the different levels, whether they're foundational, intermediate, and advanced, and we have certifications available throughout the levels so that individuals can achieve the certifications as they grow in their career. Now let's take a look at some of those programs. AWS Restart. AWS Restart aims at helping individuals who are unemployed and underemployed with none or limited tech experience to have an entry-level cloud computing job upon graduation. The 12-week intensive course includes skills training and professional IT development, such as resume writing and interview coaching. AWS Academy. AWS Academy works with higher education institutions to provide free cloud computing curriculum to students who want to pursue an AWS certification and cloud jobs. This ranges from a variety of topics from cloud fundamentals to role-based, such as developing, architecting, operations, and into specialty domains such as machine learning and data and analytics. This is institutions, students, employers, and educators can all take advantage of this program. AWS Educate. This is a global program to provide curriculum to educators and students to be able to access and train on cloud skills for upcoming fields such as web development engineering. It also provides students access to job boards where it's generated from companies who are interested in hiring candidates with cloud skills. Now let's take a look at some of the use cases where some of our AWS partners leverage our training and certification programs to train existing workforce and new workforce. Presidio is a North American IT solution provider focused on digital infrastructure, data analytics, cloud, security, and emerging solutions. They worked with us to build a training plan for 465 business professionals to be able to become cloud practitioner certified and work with customers across a variety of solutions, including migration, DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and managed services. 420 individuals are accredited and 300 cloud practitioners certified, resulted in 119% increase in opportunities within Q3 alone versus the overall first half of 2020. They were also able to see an increase of 165% in resale revenue. The next step is for them to work in having 400 certified professionals to work with new customers and to work with us in building training plans for their technical professionals, focusing on the pre-sales phase. Deloitte is a global company that provides audit and assurance, consulting, risk and financial advisory, tax, and other services to select clients. They have thousands of individuals trained on AWS, and this is specific to the EMEA region, which is Europe, Middle East, and Africa, where they had 1,450 business and technical professionals trained and certified to work across several solutions, including machine learning, migration, and security. Year to date, they have 488 technical certifications awarded, which represents 145% year-over-year growth. This translated to 370% revenue increase in EMEA and a global revenue growth of 16%. Next step is for them to take the blueprint of these training plans and be able to provide it to their employees globally, and also work with us on identifying priority growth. Slalom. Slalom helps businesses solve problems and also build for the future with solutions spanning business advisory, customer experience, technology, and analytics. They have offices located in Canada, US, and the UK. They partner with us to focus on diversity, early career talents, and emerging technologists to over 1,100 employees. Starting in 2018, they had 6%. In 2019, they had 20%. And now in 2020, they have over 50% of their AWS certifications held by women as part of their goal to reach gender parity in AWS technical certifications held in the next 2 years. This is also part of a bigger global program for them to grow women in technology and women leader through community-based approach, mentorship, and skills building. They also offer Cloud Academy and internships where they were able to reach 50-50 gender diversity and was the first to participate in AWS Summer of Machine Learning across 35 markets globally. Next step is for them to take the Women in Tech initiative and expand it to target allies and underrepresented groups in the next couple of years. CGI. CGI delivers end-to-end services and solutions, including strategic IT and business consulting, systems integration, intellectual property, and managed IT and business process services. They operate in hundreds of locations globally and worked with us to train over 3,700 employees, both business and technical professionals, working across commercial and public sector space, and have achieved 310 certifications. This is for them to train their employees across all of our solutions portfolio, including Connect, machine learning, migration, security, and much more. This increased employee confidence, and they saw demand for CGI services with customers throughout North America and Europe. They were also awarded the first phase of transformation transportation system that was achieved through the capabilities of their AWS certified architects. Next step is for them to continue the training plans to build their employees' skills across the portfolio and also explore with AWS programs to build out future cloud talents in addition to the internships that they're providing today. At AWS, we are continuing to stand up new programs as well as deliver existing programs to skill employees and also build future cloud talents. This includes programs from AWS Tech U that provides a 48-week residency for on-the-job training. AWS Project Easily has a goal to reach diversity and gender parity through providing training and certifications for employees within AWS. Year Up is a partnership where they aim at closing opportunity gaps for talented young adults ranging from the ages of 18 through 24. We also have AWS Get It, which is to challenge long-standing gender stereotypes by providing young girls with IT skills to consider a career in tech. We also have AWS Spark. This is to help builders for the future by providing them training through cloud technology concepts and through project-based learning activities. Amazon Future Engineer provides computer science opportunities from childhood to career. These are some of the programs that we have available out of the many at Amazon. Now let's take a look at some of the partner training resources available for you. No matter where you are in your journey with AWS, we have training offerings available to all. If you're starting new, start out with accreditations. This is where we provide level 100 self-paced training for you to learn who we are as AWS, the products and services we offer, how it helps customers, and the benefits you get for being a part of the AWS Partner Network. From there, you can start learning foundational courses, which level sets from a solution standpoint for you to work with customers. And this is through training provided with role plays, use cases, case studies, and it's offered through courses that are half a day and a full day for both business and technical professionals. We also have a course called Building Your Business with AWS, where we talk about how you transform from the norm of selling hardware and software to cloud services, when you see the return of investments, and how other partners have transformed their business with AWS. From there, you can go into specialty domains from a solution standpoint like security, machine learning, data analytics, and more. This is offered across both business and technical professionals for you to learn the solutions that can help address your customers' challenges. Then dive deep with technical training like the 3 days architecting on AWS and validate your skills by achieving an AWS certification. Cloud services changes constantly, so we want to make sure you're staying up to date with the latest and greatest, and that's offered through continuing education with webinars, events like summits and reInvent, and we've also partnered up with other digital training platforms to be able to provide you an expanded portfolio of courses. Training doesn't stop there. Learning doesn't stop there. It's a continuous cycle. So you can go back and learn other solutions, get a deeper dive in other products and services, and achieve more certifications. Training and certifications for AWS partners offer through 3 categories. You can take AWS Partner Training, which has specific partner content that we leverage through internal best practices and provide it to you so you can work with customers. You can also take AWS training where you sync up with technical experts to learn, like the 3-day developing on AWS, and then take the AWS certifications where we have 10 available, ranging from foundational to associate, professional, and specialties. Our trainings are offered through 3 modalities. They're offered through instructor-led, which is classroom-based, virtual instructor-led, where you can attend a classroom training from the comfort of your own home and office. And then there's digital training where it's self-paced and modularized. AWS Partner Cast. AWS Partner Cast is a free global program that is exclusively available for partners. These 30 to 60-minute sessions provide topics for both business and technical professionals, and you get to ask questions live with a subject matter expert. If you want to review the content or if you missed a session, all sessions are recorded so you can access the playback at any time. You can also request topics that you would like to hear from us through the website as well. This is again provided globally through your desktop and mobile. Take action. Reach out to your inclusion, diversity, and equity team to learn what's available today and how you can partner with AWS to do more. Get started and attend one of our AWS Partner Cast sessions where you can learn more on how to get started with training or get in touch with one of our subject matter experts and learn more about the AWS Education programs. If you're interested in having a training plan created for your organization, submit a request on our public website and get in touch with one of our partner and enablement managers. Here are the links to the resources that we spoke about so that you can learn more. We are in this together, and we look forward to the partnership with many of you in this journey to close the cloud skills gap by building a diverse, vibrant workforce. This is Phoebe Trung. Thanks for watching.